Welcome to Brainfeed Magazine. From this article, you will learn about the history behind the writing of the Indian Constitution. Let's get started. It was the morning of the 26th of January, 2025, Republic Day in India. Maya and Arav sat with their grandma in the cozy living room, watching the Republic Day parade on TV. Grandma, did you know India's constitution was written by hand? Maya asked. I just learned about it in school, but it sounds unbelievable. Grandma smiled, setting down her cup of tea. Yes, on this very day, when we celebrate our republic, we remember the constitution. A remarkable man, Prem Bihari Narayan Raijada, wrote it with his own hands. Arav looked at her, wide-eyed. What, the entire constitution? By hand? Yes, Grandma nodded, every single word, and it wasn't just any handwriting. It was written in beautiful italics, so perfect that you'd think a machine did it, but no, it was all him. Maya leaned forward, her curiosity piqued. But why would they want it handwritten? Why not just print it like any other book? That's the magic of it, Grandma said, her voice softening. After India became independent in 1947, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru wanted the constitution to reflect the dignity and beauty of our new nation. He believed that the document should not only contain laws but also be a work of art, something that would inspire generations. So, he asked Prem Bihari to handwrite it. Arav was amazed. So, who was this Prem Bihari Narayan Raijada? Was he famous? He was a very skilled calligrapher, Grandma explained. He came from a family of calligraphers. His grandfather, Ram Prasad Saxena, was a scholar who taught Persian and calligraphy. Prem Bihari learned the art from a young age. His handwriting was so beautiful that soon, everyone in Delhi knew about it. Maya's eyes grew wide. So, he wrote the whole thing? How long did it take him? 6 long months, Grandma replied. And get this, he used 432 pen holders and a special nib called 303B. The nibs were brought from England and Czechoslovakia. He wrote the entire manuscript by hand, page after page, in a room in the Constitution Hall in Delhi. Arav was stunned. 6 months just to write it, but did he get paid for it? Grandma chuckled softly. No, he didn't. He refused any payment. When Nehru asked him how much he wanted for the work, Prem Bihari said, not a single penny. I have everything I need. But he did have one condition. He asked to write his name on every page, and on the last page, he wanted to include his grandfather's name as well. Maya smiled. That's so humble of him. But didn't the constitution have pictures too? Yes, Grandma said, excited to continue. Before he began writing, Prem Bihari travelled to Santiniketan, where he met the famous painter Nandlal Bose. They decided where the illustrations would go. Nandlal and his students painted scenes from India's history, like the Mahabharata, Emperor Ashoka, and even Gandhiji's movement. The artwork added to the beauty of the words and made the constitution come alive. Arav was fascinated, so it wasn't merely about the laws? Exactly, Grandma replied, her eyes glistening. The constitution was a masterpiece, carefully designed to reflect India's rich culture and history. And that's why it's so special, especially on Republic Day, when we remember the birth of our republic. Maya looked thoughtful. It's incredible that something so important was created with so much love and care. It really is, Grandma said. And do you know where the original manuscript is kept today? It's stored in a special room in the Parliament Library in Delhi, protected in helium-filled cases to preserve it. The room is kept at a perfect temperature to keep it safe for generations. Arav grinned. I think I need to start handwriting my homework now. Maybe it'll make it feel more special. Grandma laughed. Well, if you ever decide to write something important, remember that it's the effort, love, and passion behind each word that truly makes it valuable. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned Prem Bihari Narayan Raijada's meticulous handwriting and Nandlal Bose's beautiful illustrations transformed the Constitution into a work of art. The Constitution's incorporation of India's history and culture through illustrations demonstrates the deep connection between a nation's past and its future. Raijada's dedication to his craft and his commitment to India's future have left an enduring legacy. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel,